Okay, now we draw a circle and we click the graph to center to put the circle into the center of the picture. And now we adjust the size of the circle, adjust the width and the height. We put it to 10 and generate to graph here. And then we click the ring cut and add modification. Now we adjust the ring count and the layer count. Ring count is when you put a bigger number, the processing time will be longer. And now for the laser speed, we adjust 5,000 millimeters per second, and same as the jump speed. And for the powers, the range is 10% to 100%. Now we put 65%. And for the frequency, it's from 1 to 200 kilohertz. 200 kilohertz. Okay. And for the pulse width, the range is 9 to 20 nanoseconds. Now we put apply. Okay, now we click guide. Okay, after you click the guide button, you can see the red light signature here. Okay, after every parameters are set, you need to click laser. Okay, now I adjusted the laser power from 65% to 85% and click apply. Now click guide, and click the laser button.